So in the previous video, we had the controller send us the array of to-dos to be rendered on the view, but notice that they're rendering as raw JSON. So let's refactor the view so that instead of rendering it with this raw JSON, instead it's going to use a table to render the list. Right? So let's use some of the nice Bootstrap classes. Right? We'll call this table and maybe table striped. And let's declare a head where we can put some headings, such as the first one, I believe it's the ID. Then we have the ID, we have the title. So let's do that. We're going to say this is the ID, and we have the title of the to-do, so title, right? And then in the body of the table, we can then have a tr, a row that displays in the first column is going to display the ID, and the second column is going to display the title. Okay? If we refresh, we have the beginnings of what the table might look like. Now we have an example of what we want for the rows where the data is going to show. We can use that row, right, to iterate over it, over all the to-dos. Right? So for instance, we can say use that, each instance in the to-dos, right? There's a couple, there's one, two, there's about 5 of them. Use each one to render each row. Right? We can say take this row, right? Copy and paste it using ng-repeat, so that it will bind each instance inside of the array of all the to-dos. It will bind each instance into a local variable called to-do, which can then be used to refer to the various attributes in there, right? So each object has the attribute ID and has the attribute title, right, as shown here, to ID and title, right? So when we do that, we render again, and notice that now it renders all the various to-dos one per row.